Hi guys and welcome to our YouTube channel TechUp, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can check your TikTok Gmail on a laptop or your PC. To do so, open up tiktok.com on your Google Chrome and just log into your TikTok account like I already am. And here you can see a profile icon on the top right side of your screen after logging into your account. If you hover over your mouse, these options will pop up, and here go on the settings. If you go into settings, give you some time to load, and depending upon the speed of your Wi-Fi connection, it will load up on your screen with some time. Here, after clicking on to settings, you can see these options all pop up, but here there is no option for Gmail or anything, because to actually look for your TikTok Gmail notifications, you have to open up the Google account that you logged in with in your TikTok account. Here you can see I've opened up my Gmail and the email by TikTok has been received. This was a verification code that I received from my TikTok. And if you get any kind of notification from your TikTok, it will appear directly on your Google account that you used to while signing in. And that is how you can check Gmails on your TikTok that you used while signing into your account. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review, and for more content like this, see you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.